My heart is...
Hey guys, it's me, Shekainah, and I know it has been 3 weeks since I last uploaded a video. I've been really busy sa work ko and medyo nagloloko din yung laptop ko, kaya hindi ako nakakapag-edit. So that's why. So for this week's video, I am going to take you guys with me on my first ever room makeover. And this first part of my room makeover agenda is to show you guys some of my clips where I painted my room and installed my brick walls. And yes, you heard it right, it's going to be an episode kasi I feel like kapag pinagsama-sama ko sila, it's gonna be a long video because dude, my room is basically an empty canvas. Wala akong kagamit-gamit dito and lately lang dumating itong bed ko and I thought of filming this whole process of me giving my room a makeover to give you guys ideas. Kaya as much as possible talaga naghanap ako ng affordable pieces at the same time yung quality and yung design niya is maganda. Kaya if you guys are also planning on redoing or revamping your room, well, here you go. Let's hop right into the video.
Before we start, let me give you a quick overview of my room. So, makikita niyo naman ho na walang kagamit-gamit bukod sa bed ko. And also, before I started painting it, tinanggal ko yung curtains ko para di mapinturahan and pinunasan ko yung mga walls ko para hindi magbubbles yung pintura.
Ayan po, napunasan na natin ang lahat ng pader. Next ay pipinturahan na natin yung walls at magsisimula tayo dito banda. Ayan. Ang dami na din yung bakbak. So, let's start.
For the paint, I use white paint from Bolsen. Well, it cost my mama around 500 pesos daw. Di na matandaan. And around 200 pesos for the following brushes, roller, and the palette. So my original plan was to paint my wall pastel pink or something much lighter than pastel pink because my wallpaper aka accent wall is already white. But my undecided R's don't wanna get too edgy, that is why I settled for white. And there goes my mama shouting, "Bakit white? Dumi ng
Tingnan niyo po,
white!"
may dalawang alagad ako. At sila ang nagpipintura. Shoutout po kay Kela. At shoutout kay Angel. Okay, break. Super Delight cookies, the best. We will move to this part na. Ayan. Look at the difference though.
Well, painting my wall did not took that long thanks to my cousins who helped me. Akala ko matatapos ko to in one day kapag ako lang, but I was wrong. Oh, by the way, my wallpaper is 80 pesos per 70 by 77 cm. I bought it sa marketplace on Facebook, but you can also buy this on Shopee. Overall, for one wall, nakagamit ako ng 18 pieces bricks, wallpaper, and that cost me 1,440.
So, ayun nga, tapos na natin pinturahan ng mga walls. And kung mapapansin nyo, hindi to pininturahan kasi matatakpan din naman siya nung 3D wall brick na binili namin. Etong wallpaper na i-install natin sa isang wall as accent wall is 70 by 77 yung laki niya. Ayan, no? Malaki ho siya, no? And yung pag-i-install niya is hindi lang basta-basta ididikit sa wall. May ginugupit sa kanya. And makikita nyo, may malaking brick wall and may maliit. So, yung maliliit sa gilid, yun yung gugupitin nyo para hindi siya mukhang box-box dyan sa wall nyo. So, eto yung kakalabasan niya. Matitira yung mahahabang ganyan. Para yung sa next na ilalagay mo, dito mo siya ma-shoot para mukha silang magkasama-sama.
Sis, let me just say kung gaano kami nahirapan i-install tong wallpaper brick wall na to. Dito kami natagalan because, dude, gipantay yung wall and ceiling ko. But anyway, we really tried to finish this in just half a day.
So guys, ayan na lang po yung natitira at 7:30 na po. Kanina pa ho tayong alauna. Hey guys, it's the next day since we painted my room and installed my brick wall. And I just want to quickly put it out there to please seek professional help because look at my floor. And tignan nyo din yung bintana ko. Ang daming pintura po, So, mali din namin na hindi kami naglagay ng dyaryo kasi na-excite kami magpintura at hindi kami naglagay ng mga tape sa mga bintana para hindi sana sila nalagyan. Pero don't worry, matatanggal naman daw sila. Nagpabili na ako ng pantanggal, which is eto, yung thinner, and i-scrub lang daw ay matatanggal na sila. Pero dagdag sa work, kaya if magpapaint kayo, please use dyaryo or magpapaint na lang po kayo. And by the way guys, dumating na yung mga furniture ko. Ayan. May study table na. Konti na lang yung kulang sa kanila and pwede na natin silang i-install kung saan-saan dyan. So ayun, tanggalin ko muna yung mga pintura for the final look. Man, this is harder than I thought. Okay, look! Natanggal ko na sila. But, ayong part na yan, madami pa ho. Tada!
And to conclude this video,
guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give this a like, comment, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys on my next episode of Room Makeover. Stay safe and well. Bye!